of applause, our lovely debutante, Miss Jasmine Canaon. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give her a round of applause as she steps level of her life. Colors and promises, how do we know? How can I love when I'm too far, watching you stand alone? All of my thoughts suddenly goes running somewhere. I have died every day waiting for you, darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. Stand still, beauty in all she is. I will be brave. I will not let anything take away what's standing in front of me. Every breath, every hour has come to this. I have died every day waiting for you, darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. Let's give them a round of applause, the Canaon family. And today, let us hear a message from her mom.
Wish na pala ka. Message. Jasmine, happy birthday. Simple lang naman yung mga gagawin sa akin. Ako maiyak ako. Ano ko sa'yo, sana ma-achieve mo yung mga goals in life mo. Tapos, yung mga pangarap mo.
Pag ako
Good luck na sa mga hindi ko alam kung ano sasabihin ko. Kasi alam ko ngayon. Sige na, sabihin mo na. Basta pangarap ko sa'yo na makapangasawa ka ng foreigner. Yun lang.
Anak.
iyak, bigyan niya kayo.
Wala akong masabi. Salamat sa pagiging mabait mo sa mga masunod. Ang masasabi ko lang, huwag masyadong basta maging masaya ka lang, kahit simple, para hindi mahirapan yung isip mo. Pwede kang maging masaya kahit na ano man marating mo sa buhay. Huwag mong kahirapan yung
Nantok ako?
isip mo. So, lagi kang masaya.
Ba't ganyan
Okay, so mommy and daddy, be still in front. Okay, ayan, very sweet family. Ayan.
Thank you.
Ryan Barcel.
Happy Legality, Jasmine. We've been friends for years now and I'm very thankful for that. As you enter the new chapter of your life, I hope you may continue to have fun and memorable. Welcome to adulthood. Papunta na rin kami dyan sa dami-dami na tayo. I won't make this message any longer. I wish you all the best, especially now na malapit ka na and malapit na tayo mag-college. Sana ma-achieve mo lahat ng goals mo in life, kagaya ng sabi ng mami mo, and more memories to create and remember. Enjoy your day.
Steve Roman.
Everyone, and happy 18th birthday, Jasmine. Today is a special day for you because you're surrounded by everyone who adores and cherishes you. Right now, I think you're dressed up in a way that we have always saw you. Very elegant, pretty, and doing as you got to be with your family. As we got closer, I realized how fitting your name is. You are Jasmine. You have made countless memories with many people that when they remember would make anyone blossom with warm hearts. I hope you remember this as you go through another chapter in your life. My wish for your 18th birthday is to go through life with a sense of security from the friends you've made, and especially from your wonderful family who have raised an incredible daughter. Happy birthday again, Jasmine. God bless.
Thank you so much, Steve. Ayan, picture taking daw po, kuya. Picture daw po. Ayan, sige kay mami na lang po. Okay, so next, Angela de los Santos. Yes, Angela de los Santos for our 18th mission.
Jasmine, happy 18th birthday. As you step into this new chapter in your life, I wish for you to enjoy every bit of it. It hasn't been long yet since we've known each other, but I'm so happy with how our friendship blossomed in just a year. Thank you for being a great friend to us, and I hope we can create even more memories together. Malapit na rin tayo mag-college, and kung saan ka man mag-college and kung anong course man ang i-pursue mo, I hope for you to succeed in whatever path you choose. But for now, let's enjoy muna our last year in high school. And we may not be classmates now and in the future, but please know that I've always got your back no matter what. Yun lang. Happy birthday.
Okay, picture taking muna po, and thank you so much, Angela. Next, Tita Raquel Desinggan.
Ano ka, maka-Diyos, gabayan ka ng Diyos sa makatapos ka ng pag-aaral. At matulog ka ng maaga para madagdagan pa yung height mo. Ito ang regalo ko sa'yo. Magagamit mo.
Thank you so much, Tita Raquel. And for the representative of Miss Brenda and Miss Denise, may I call on Tito Nelson Candas.
Umiyak ka para hindi ako ano ba, iyakin tayo? Iyak tayo.
Ayan,
Maria, nagbibideo talaga ako dyan. Pang-vlog to ni tita.
and next, Carmela Desinggan for our last wish.
Ayun. Happy 18th birthday.
Iyak na yan.
You're officially an adult now, and I can't wait to see all the amazing adventures and accomplishments that lie ahead for you. May this year be filled with joy, success, and endless opportunities. Cheers to a bright future, and sana makinig ka sa magulang mo, especially for your mom and dad. Tapos maging best sister ka for your little brother, you know. English ko eh. Tapos ayun, pagkatuloy mo na magiging mabait ako. Yes, tapos, you know, sweet ka rin. Alam ko naman yan. Tapos ayun, sabi mo sa akin kanina, sana maging milyonaryo ka. So yun, happy birthday. So, super gandang for today. Birthday.
Ba't ikaw umiyak?
Thank you, Ate Carmela. Once again, may call on all as well-wishers, Rian, Audrey, Denise, for group picture po. Luis and... 1, 2, 3, smile, and 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay, finger heart. Everyone, finger heart na po. Ayan. Okay, tapos ako kayo sa pinaghandaan. Go, Jasmine!
Go, shorty. It's your birthday. We gon' party like, and we gon' sip the party like it's your birthday. And you know you don't give a fuck, 'cause like your birthday. You'll find me in the club.
Sige, buuin natin yan. Ayan. Kaya hilakpakan naman po natin.
Yan. Tapos kasali.
Luto?
Kaluwiti ka.
Takot-takot pag